Last class, we start with kinetic theory of gases, the difference between real gas and the ideal gas, and the kinetic theory assumption. Up to that, we completed. Now we go for one more topic, that is pressure exerted by a gas. It is a derivative method. First, everyone listen. Make one, 10 not supporting. V square equal to Vx square plus Vy square plus Vz square. This is equation number 1. Now, listen everyone. The particle it is done, it is moving x-axis. The momentum, the molecules moves with momentum. Already we know very well the momentum formula. It is moving x-axis. The value, momentum, mass into velocity. It is moving x-axis. Mass, velocity Vx because it is in move x direction. Okay. Listen, it is written back. It is just to consider small vessel. It is there. Only one particle. It is moving towards in this side A. What happened after hitting the wall? It is rebounds back to the some other areas. Again, it rebounds. Again, it rebounds. This similarly, it is happened in this vessel inside. But now I consider only one case. One particle it is there, moving towards wall, hitting the wall. Again, rebounds. After the rebounding, the momentum minus m vx. Okay, now I'm writing for changing momentum along the x-axis. So changing momentum, final momentum minus initial momentum. Final momentum, that is a rebound momentum, minus m vx minus initial momentum m vx. Then you will get minus 2m vx. This is equation number 2. Technical problem it is there now, but when it is not supporting properly, if you have any doubt, you can ask later the my handwriting. Okay, listen now. For the diagram, the side it is A, B, G, F. The length of the cylinder inside. RDA said the length Vx del T uh, for the volume, then I will multiple with the area into Vx del T, area into Vx del T. Again, I consider to n number of particles it is there. Then n a Vx del T. Listen everyone. The diagram it is there now. In this diagram, only half of the part will rebound. The remainder things it will bounce any other direction also. So in this derivation part, I consider only the half of the particles. 1 by 2 n a vx del t. Now the total change in momentum. Kindly note it up to that the component of the velocities uh, del px equal to minus mn a v bar x square del t. Same formula, just I am related to the force and pressure. Okay, the rate of change of momentum is called force. The force formula is Fx equal to del Px divided by del T. And you know the del P value, some technical problem. Del T cancelled. The remainder terms alone I will write minus m n a v x bar square for the Fx. Listen, now I am applicable for the Newton third law also. It is rebouncing, no? So Newton third law, F A B equal to minus F B A. The particle getting rebounds also. Then Fx equal to minus into minus plus M N A V x bar square. Same formula are related to pressure also. Pressure equal to force by area. Fx by area. Now area and in this force formula F M N A V bar x square it is done. A it is cancelled. Then you will get only the final terms. Pressure equal to M N V x bar square. Same similarly for the three components also. Three components mean now we calculated only for the x component. For the y component, Py equal to M N V bar y square and z component M N V z bar square. Now the pressure is equal for all the component. So Px equal to Py Pz. Otherwise, you can write like this also. Pressure equal to 1 by 3 of Px plus Py plus Pz. And you know the value of Px plus Py plus Pz. Just to apply it, there is a common for Mn. The only variable Vx bar square and Vy bar square and V z bar square, then you will get P is equal to 1 by 3 m n V bar square. Listen, V bar square means the all the components value it is equal to the sum of all the components V x bar square plus V y bar square plus V z bar square. So very important term. The last formula, see here, the force formula it is force equal to minus mn a v x bar square, and the pressure they are asking means pressure equal to 1 by 3 mn v bar square. In your book they go for directly the pressure equal to 1 by 3 mn v bar square, but we derive from the 1 by 1 how it is coming. Now that mn it is there no, it is equal to density rho. Then pressure equal to 1 by 3 rho v bar square. V bar square means that is the mean square component of velocity. So in this formula, before formula it is just I multiple with the 2 divided by 2, 2 divided by m v bar square into 1 by 3 n it is there. And you know the kinetic energy formula, kinetic energy, the average kinetic energy of a gas molecules, that is k dot e bar equal to 1 by 2, not 5 by 2 ma, this is 1 by 2 m v bar square. Then pressure equal to 2 by 3 n into kinetic energy bar. So kinetic energy bar means that is the average kinetic energy of a gas molecules. Average kinetic energy of a gas molecules. Again I am changing. Yes ma. 2 by 3 of n molecule of kinetic energy ma. That also average kinetic energy. and related to that is n also I'm changing the format. See here, small n equal to n divided by capital N divided by V. Capital N means total number of gas molecule. V denoted volume. Total number of gas molecule in volume V. That is a small n. Then you will get pressure equal to 2 by 3. But before formula itself I am changing n by V 1 by 2 m V bar square. In PV format, PV equal to, it is volume coming this side, PV equal to 2 by 3 N, capital N, that is 1 by 2 mv square. Again I am writing for kinetic energy bar under at rho formula also there now I related to density rho pressure equal to 1 by 3 rho V bar square. So in this term also I am rewriting P is equal to 2 by 3 into 1 by 2 rho V bar square.